Good morning, everybody. An early video today, actually. Today's date, well, happy April Fool's Day. It is April 1st, 2021. It's just gone 9:44 here on the East Coast. Sam Evans of Stockability with you. Really just a couple of things I wanted to talk to you about. A lot of people ask me about the holiday weekends. As you know, we're going into a holiday weekend. While not a actual 4-day weekend here in the US, it is in the UK. Easter is a big deal. A lot of people taking time off. Can we expect a quiet market? Yeah, sometimes around this. You never really know with the market. I'm not big into superstition and all that kind of stuff. All I know is what I do and how I play it. So ever being the opportunist, what was today's trade as well? Bat our head against the overnight price action here around 32,974. Took a short to the downside, but was ruthless on the profit taking, getting out around this important number of 32,900 today. If you want to go and see the actual exit and entry, here it is right now. So here's the entry that we took at around 9:30, and here's the exit actually at around 9:39. So a 9-minute day today, real short day. More of a scalp than anything else. What was the result of that particular trade? $1,020, about a 9-minute move on this. Why was I ruthless on the profit taking? Who knows? It is going to be probably a quiet day. And with that in mind, I just want to get in, get done, and I've got bigger things. I'm planning on finishing my day at 1 p.m. when the Take Stock Live radio show ends as well. So one of the rules in my trade plan is on particular days like this, when I'm expecting this kind of chop in the market and going into a holiday, I like to get in early, get out early, and walk away as well. So hope that helps. If you ask me, I'm not really caring what happens. I think probably we'll get a lot more volume in the market, maybe seeing after this consolidation period a good push to the downside, or if we can stay above the 3300s, a continuation of the upward trend. I'll wait and see what the market wants to give me. But right now, walking away, we have just over $1,000 in the bank. It's just gone 9:45 on here. Have a wonderful, happy Easter. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you guys real soon.